hope you're doing well today. Today I am going to trim some pottery. It's also so rainy and nice and peaceful outside. So it sets the mood to kind of work today. This morning I was just so all over the place, and it'll be nice to just kind of focus on trimming some pieces and actually talking to you guys about my hair. I feel like I never really think about how my hair or my face should look or anything, or even put on makeup. Sorry. But anyway, I want to talk to you guys about how I want to do the collection this month. I have this deep stirring feeling to do something very cozy and like warm and very like, I don't know, something deeply within myself that's like, I don't know, just I want for people who see my work to feel love and a sense of belonging and closeness and warmth. And I want it to feel like fall, like kind of, that's how fall feels for me. It feels very warm, and you know, you grab your blanket or your sweater, you just kind of cuddle, and I don't know, it's just a very like slowing down, relaxing type of feeling. So that's what I'm going to focus on today, and I guess that was me talking about what I wanted to make. I made some zines last month, and I loved making zines. That was so fun. So I want to do that again, but I don't know, in my brain I'm trying to translate how, or just articulate how I want those things to look. Like I want to have like a zine that kind of describes those feelings and describes that emotion. But also, I was thinking, okay, so do you remember those fun activity books we had when we were kids? Like, you can still pick them up. I mean, they're in like, you know, Barnes and Noble, any bookstore and stuff like that. But these little books that have like word scrabbles and different things like that. Like, I kind of want to do something like that, like word searches, and I think that'd be so cute, because when I think of fall, I think about like stopping and slowing down and enjoying life and enjoying your day. And when I think of that, I think of like these little cute like word search things, and like just sitting back and enjoying the cozy feeling of a fire and just enjoying life in general. So and just taking the time to like step back from your life and step back from things. So anyway, I'm so excited about it. I think the more that I'm talking to you about it, the more it makes me think I should do that. Like I should do a zine that has like activities in it, and also have part of the zine to be, I want to be a story. Like I want to talk about a story, and I want the story to travel through the zine. So I don't know, my brain just loves like things that are not complicated, but things that I can chew on. Like my brain loves chewing on things, and it loves like figuring things out and creating like scenarios. That sounds horrible, but creating like these little things that like are fun and things that people may enjoy. So I think that's where my brain is heading right now at the moment. Anyway, so I guess you guys, if you want, you can watch me trim and work on a few pottery things today. So thank you for stopping by. It's not the end of the video, but just thank you for being here.
looks at me, I can be certain that he truly loves me.
When I wake up, you're not there. You're telling me you know what you need, but when I turn the lights off, it's all so clear. I can't get away, can't run away, I can't get away. You're bringing on the heartache. You're bringing on the heartache. Bringing on the heartache. Bringing on the heartache.
These are the handles I'm coming up with for this collection. I know they look kind of weird, but I kind of wanted something weird and kooky looking, but I also kind of wanted it to be kind of organic too. When I was doing the pumpkins last month, I loved how, or the last 2 months, I loved how the handles like didn't end, they continued, and so I want to continue doing that. So we'll see how it goes. Well, I also wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about color. I love color, and I love different color schemes and things like that whenever I plan my collections. And right now we have our Dahlia seeds coming up, which is so cool. They died in the summer and now they're back, and that's wonderful. And one of the things I do want to think about is the color, like the reds with the greens. I think that's very beautiful. It's very fall-like. And I also love how those colors just seem to work together, and I think I might incorporate that into the collection too. So I'm so excited to see how things are going to work out within the next week or so. So anyway, thank you for watching this messy vlog. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoyed me sharing a bit about my process for this month, especially thinking about different color schemes and things like that. That's very exciting to me. I love thinking about color. And I just want to evoke this calm, peaceful, loving type of feeling. That feeling of like, you know, you have a friend or a family member or a lover or whatever, and you feel that warmth from them. Like, I just want to convey that warmth in the collection this month. So I hope I can. Like, I hope it comes across. So anyway, but I hope you have a wonderful week, and please comment below and let me know if anything resonated with you, or if you feel like it would be kind of cool to do an activity zine. I think it would be so cool, right? Like, I'm super excited for that. Anyway, love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will chat with you later. Bye.